Expressed in scientific notation, 4.8937845 times 10 to the negative 5 divided by 6.855 times 10 to the negative 12. All right, let's see how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split this up. So I'm going to divide the number parts, and then I'm going to divide the powers of 10. Okay, just like that. So I have 4.8937845 divided by 6.855, and I'm going to do that on my handy-dandy calculating machine. 4.8937845 divided by 6.855 is equal to 0.7139. Okay, so 0.7139. Okay, and then the 10 to the negative 5 divided by 10 to the negative 12. And when dividing, I'm going to keep the 10 to the negative 5 up there, and I'm going to bring the 10 to the negative 12 up. So you can think of them as, multiplying. So I'm going to add those exponents. I'm going to add negative 5 to 12, and that's going to give me 7. Okay, so times 10 to the 7. Or you could just think of the negative 5 subtract negative 12 is negative 5 plus 12 is 7. Okay, either way it works out this way. All right, now I need to get the decimal point after the 7. Okay, we can't have zeros as the first digit, so we're going to move it one step to the right. Okay, and so we're taking this small number and we're making it bigger, so we have to multiply it by a negative exponent. Okay, so we're going to have to multiply it by 10 to the negative 1, like that. Okay, or you could just think of adding negative 1 to the 7 and getting 6. All right, either way, we're going to get 7.139 times 10 to the power of 6. All right, 0.7139, and then we're moving the decimal point back one, so we're going to subtract 1 from whatever our exponents do, and the 10 to the negative 5 is going to subtract the negative 12, so negative 5 minus negative 12 is negative 5 plus 12 is to the 7, okay, and then we're subtracting 1 off of that, so times 10 to the power of 7, and then we're subtracting 1 off of that, so that becomes excellent. Okay, let's do one more. So 2.95812 divided by 3.652 is equal to 0.81. Okay, so 0.81, and so I'm gonna move the decimal point over. That's like 8.1 times 10 to the negative 1. So let's remember the negative 1. Okay, I have 23, and then divide by 10 to the 23 divided by 10 to the 12. So I'm going to do the 23 take away the 12, and that is going to give me 11. Okay, so 10 to the 11, and then remember that negative 1. Okay, we're going to have to take that 1 off the 11, so 10 to the 10 times 10 to the power of 10. Excellent. Let's do this last one. 5.2441826 divided by 8.989, okay, is equal to 0.5834. And we're moving the decimal point one step to the right, so that's going to be times 10 to the negative 1. So we have to remember that negative 1, we're going to subtract 1 off of whatever our answer with the powers of 10 happen to be. So times 10 to the power of, okay, so we have 3 take away 12, which is negative 9. And then we want to put the negative 1 on that. Okay, so we're subtracting 1 from negative 9 is negative 10. To the power of negative 10. Yay. All right, and that's it for scientific notation division. Have a good day.